I am staying in a balcony room aboard Majestic Princess for an 8-day cruise. Let's go check it out. Starting at the front door, to the left of the door, you will find this card. It says, please insert this card to activate your stateroom lights. You'll find these switches to activate the room lights. As we come into the room, right away we will find the closet. Very big space. They have hangers and a lot of space beneath to put all of your luggages. And above, you will find additional storage and your life jackets. Here is another closet, and in it, you will find your shelving, a safe, and additional shelving beneath the safe. As we look to the left of the closet, we will find this door. Watch your step. There is a step up. As we go into the bathroom, right away we see the counter. Beneath the counter, you will find your wastebasket. On top of the counter, you'll find your hand wash, your body lotion by Beekman 1802. Very great brand. Your rags. Here's your tissue. You have shelving where you'll find your glasses and shelving to put whatever it is that you desire. And here is an outlet right here, and two lamps and a nice size mirror. Over to the left, you'll find your body towels, your hand towels, your toilet beneath that, and we have a shower with a curtain. I know some people don't care for curtains. And here you will find how your shower looks with your body wash and your shampoo and conditioner, once again by Beekman 1802. And it is a nice size shower. It is not small to me. And it is also a nice size height as well. Out of the bathroom, right away we will run right into the standing mirror, a nice size mirror. As we make this left, we will go into the main bedroom area. Here is the bed. On each side of the bed, we will find storage. And on this side of the bed, not only will we have lamps on both sides, but here you will find where you can put and charge up your phone or whatever items you want, as you have USB outlets right there. In front of the bed is your TV, and next to the TV is your thermostat. Next, over here, we will find our desk. On top of the desk, we will find our phone. You have an outlet here to the right and an outlet on this side here to the left as well. This chair, and you have your waste basket, additional storage for this desk on each side, and in this drawer you will find your hair dryer. Behind this desk you will find this area with a mirror in addition to the one right in front of the desk, and you will find here on top you have some drinks that is complimentary to those individuals that are elite for Princess's loyalty program. Beneath here you will find your fridge, some storage to the side as well. And in this fridge, for those individuals who are elite, get complimentary drinks in the fridge as well. So as I said, this is a balcony, so let's go and check out the balcony. Here's the balcony. There is a step up. Be careful. And we are currently still in port. It's a decent sized balcony. I'm the only one in the room. So it is a decent sized balcony, has two chairs. And as I said, currently we are at port. We are still in Fort Lauderdale. As I step back into the room, I'm going to do a once over of the room so you can see it in its entirety. So, what do you think about the room? I think it is a nice sized room. Not the biggest balcony, but they do have rooms on this ship with bigger balconies. So, this is the base level when it comes to the balcony itself for a regular balcony room. Can you do me a favor, family? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel. And for those returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the way that you do. And until next time, happy travels.